Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use DreamFace AI. Alright, so let's begin. Firstly, DreamFace AI is where you can easily create fun, high-quality videos using AI avatars and voices. With just a few clicks, you can generate custom videos for social media, presentations, education, and more. Firstly, all you have to do is download DreamFace AI on your mobile device and simply launch the app. Now, all you have to do is continue with the on-screen instructions. Create a new account. You can simply continue with your Apple ID if you are using iOS, or continue with your Google account as well. Then, allow full access to your gallery and choose any photo you want to create a fun or high-quality video of. After you choose the photo, simply tap on it and it will take a few seconds to generate the funny AI video. Wait for a few seconds, and after that, you will get to see the funny video on your screen. Now, all you have to do is pay or get the premium version in order to download it and to unlock the other features. So that's basically how you can use DreamFace AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.